DevOps practices have changed the way software is developed and deployed. The process of software promotion used to be a long and slow process. The software development lifecycle has largely shrunk turnaround times. Code management was often informal or even non existent. Code can now be continuously integrated into code repositories, often after each code change. Applications can now be built more often from code repositories and are often continuously delivered into promotion groups. This continuous promotion acts as a code pipeline, with the developers constantly pushing code into the QA and the UAT environments. At the end of the pipeline are applications. Applications can be continuously deployed into production. This pipeline code promotion can happen quickly, often many times a day. Continuous integration helps eliminate bugs from entering the code base. Code often is modified in a developer sandbox environment. Developers often introduce more bugs than they fix. If the code is not continuously integrated, it may break the build when checked back in. Traditional code checkout no longer takes place in a continuous integration environment. Local copies of the code still exist, but do not keep local changes for long. Modified code is continuously integrated into the code base. This keeps the code base updated with all developer changes. Logic or compile errors can now be found immediately. Developers can now spend more time on writing quality software and not trying to fix the code build. Continuous delivery constantly promotes the code base. The number of promotion environments can vary between organizations. Applications are continuously promoted from development, test, and user acceptance. This automated process requires little human intervention. Testing goes faster. Applications are tested automatically. Test cases can be applied to promoted software by the thousands. Automated testing replaces legacy QA testing. Automation also standardizes how an application is tested. Code promotions are now instantaneous. If needed, code can be pushed through the pipeline based on a single code change. Continuous delivery allows tested code to be promoted into production. Often, production releases are no longer scheduled. Automated testing occurs throughout the promotion process. Applications that pass promotion testing are automatically and continuously staged. Developers or operations spend little time promoting code. Applications can now be delivered daily or even faster. Tools like Jenkins are used for this continuous integration. The entire software pipeline is automated. Continuous integration is constantly integrating developed code. Continuous delivery is pushing code through the pipeline into production. Automation builds in quality and speeds up the production deployment schedule. The DevOps software development cycle, or the SDLC, has opened the door for new DevOps tools. It represents a new way of thinking. Jenkins is considered a continuous integration tool, although since it can promote code to production, Jenkins can also be considered continuous delivery. Jenkins rarely works alone. The number of DevOps tools are too many to count. Multiple other tools are used throughout these phases, such as automated testing tools and linting tools. Orchestration tools are used to manage other tools in this continuous process, basically tools to manage tools. Tools are designed and built to work together. This openness allows an unlimited combination and permutation of tools that fit the needs of any enterprise.